Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken and noodles. The ingredients that we need today are 3 cups of chicken broth, 4 cups of wide egg noodles, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large carrots chopped, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 1 celery rib chopped, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 3 large garlic cloves minced, and I have 3 chicken breasts that I boiled and shredded. In a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our carrots, celery, and also our onion. We're going to let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add in our Italian seasoning, our ground black pepper, our thyme, and also our minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and mix it and let that cook for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together, and we're going to bring it up to a simmer. You want to raise your heat up to high. Once it comes to a simmer, you want to lower your heat to medium. We're going to place our lid over top. We're going to let that cook for 10 minutes so our veggies can soften up even more. Okay, after 10 minutes, you guys can go ahead and give it a taste. If you need to add anything, you can do it now. Now we're going to add in our egg noodles. Just want to go ahead and mix everything thoroughly. Make sure it's well combined. Then you can place your lid over top. And we're going to let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, to our heavy cream, we're going to add in our 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. You just want to whisk that together. Okay guys, your noodles should be al dente. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our frozen peas, our heavy cream, and also I'm going to add in our chicken breast. ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, you want it to continue to cook just for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken and noodles. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?